Chef Laura Bonicelli, and this quick win video is called How to Peel a Banana. Here's a fun fact. Bananas are radioactive, but you'd have to eat about 10 million of them in one sitting in order for it to actually do anything to you. Technically classified as a berry, bananas are low in calories, they have no fat, they're very high in potassium, they're a great source of fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. If your bananas get too ripe or you're not going to use them, throw them in the freezer in a Ziploc bag. They'll make great banana bread. Slow down the ripening of your bananas to keep them around for a little longer. Wrap the stem end in a little saran wrap or tape. If you want to ripen green bananas, put them in a paper bag with an apple or a tomato. How do you peel a banana? Well, always from the bottom, not the top. If you do the top, it'll get mushy as you try and crack it open. You just pinch it and peel it down in sections, just like that. And that's our quick win on how to peel a banana.